How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about a push-up tip that will allow you guys to get better at push-ups. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to tell you guys a little tip that people sorry, that was bugging me. A little tip that people don't really follow when trying to get their push-ups, and it's very common too when people are starting off weight training that they make this mistake, and that's just not having proper rest days. Now, if you guys are thinking, well, that's super lame, that's not really a good tip, your body grows when it is resting. That's when all the growth happens. Believe it or not, exercising doesn't actually at the time make you more shredded or make you bigger. What happens is that exercise, it actually tears down your muscle. So if you're thinking, okay, it tears down my muscle, well, how does it actually make my muscles get bigger? That is where the rest comes in. That's where you get bigger. So when I first started weightlifting, started bodybuilding, I wanted to train all the time. So I didn't really rest that much. And what happened? I didn't get that good of results. So what happened when I started taking more rest days? That's when I started to grow more. And it's not just building muscle too, it's increasing the number of repetitions that you can do in a row, and it's also getting more shredded. All of this really requires proper rest period. Now, the amount of rest period that you need isn't that much, believe it or not. You don't need to do push-ups on Monday and then wait a week and do push-ups again. I'm not saying to do that. I'm just saying you should take a rest day every other day. So if you train push-ups on Monday, then Tuesday, rest day. Wednesday, you can work out. Thursday, rest day. Friday, workout. Saturday, rest day. And just keep doing this over and over and over again. What has been proven is that protein synthesis is elevated for roughly 48 hours, and that is it. Then it drops back down. What happens with protein synthesis is that is when your muscles are growing. So if you work out on Monday up until Tuesday, so let's say you work out at Monday at 5 o'clock. Time Tuesday comes around at 5 o'clock. Actually, that's 24 hours. Sorry. No, that's right. Okay, so Monday you worked out at 5 o'clock. Tuesday you took a break. Time Wednesday comes around at 5 o'clock. That's been exactly 48 hours. And then you're working out again. So with protein synthesis, what happens is for the first 48 hours, your muscle building is peaked. After 48 hours, it goes back down here where you're not building muscle anymore. And this has been proven in studies. So by taking that rest period, you're actually still building muscles for the full 48 hours. And then you do it again, and then you just keep building more and more muscle. And this will also help you to increase the number of push-ups. So whether you want to get more shredded, build more muscle, increase the number of push-ups you want to do, basically anything to do with the push-ups, by taking the proper rest days, which is every other day in my opinion, then you're going to notice a huge difference. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.